Hi everybody, today we're taking a look at the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI. It gets a slight refresh this year and is available in 3 different trims with prices starting right around $32,000. This week I'm driving the GTI SE, which checks in right in the middle of the lineup, right around $39,000. So let's hop inside and take a closer look. The exterior of the GTI gets a slight refresh with new front and rear bumpers. Up front, you've got adaptive headlights with IQ light, an illuminated Volkswagen badge and light bar. It also comes with an optional painted black roof and new taillights in the back. Also new on the GTI are 17 to 19-inch wheel designs and 4 fresh paint options, including Alpine Silver and Slate Blue Metallic. Under the hood, the GTI gets more power with a 2-liter turbocharged engine that now delivers 262 horsepower, up from 241, and 273 pound-feet of torque. Although Volkswagen has discontinued the manual gearbox for the US, the GTI is now only available with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic. It will get from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 5.4 seconds. The GTI comes with dynamic chassis control adaptive damping, available on SE and standard on Autobahn with customizable Comfort Sport custom modes. This adjustable suspension system lets you change how firm or soft the car rides on the fly. It also includes a performance-enhancing front differential system designed to improve traction, handling, and cornering grip, multiple drive modes, and launch control. The GTI is also packed with IQ Drive safety tech that includes travel assist, front assist, blind spot, rear traffic lane assist, emergency assist, park assist, and road sign display. Hopping inside, the cockpit is thoughtfully laid out with controls angled towards the driver and wrapped in soft touch materials, accented by carbon gray trim and brushed metal pedals for a premium feel. The front seats now come in cloth with an optional ArtVelours or Napa leather, offering 12-way power adjustment and excellent lateral support, which is great for a fun drive. The classic GTI plaid cloth remains, while higher trims offer heated, ventilated, and leather seating with memory functions. Physical buttons also make a return on the steering wheel, replacing the overly sensitive touch surfaces. This is a welcome return to the Volkswagen GTI lineup. The capacitive touch sliders for volume and temperature also got tidier and now have a recessed ledge for easier use. That's a wrap of my look at the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI. For the full review, you can visit DriveChicago.com or subscribe below for even more automotive content. And be sure to give us a follow on our other social channels, including X, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm Jim O'Brill with Drive Chicago. Thanks for watching.